Today, we're delving into Reclaim AI, a powerful time management assistant designed to help you take control of your schedule and boost productivity. Reclaim AI is a versatile tool typically used by professionals, entrepreneurs, and busy individuals to optimize their time, manage tasks efficiently, and achieve a good work-life balance. Throughout this video, we'll be taking a look at Reclaim AI's key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives to help you make an informed decision. Let's start things off by a quick look at Reclaim AI's main features. Intelligent scheduling. Reclaim AI utilizes AI algorithms to analyze your calendar, prioritize tasks, and suggest optimal meeting times, ensuring efficient use of your time and minimizing scheduling conflicts. Calendar optimization. The tool automatically adjusts your calendar based on your availability, preferences, and priorities, optimizing your schedule for maximum productivity and balance. Task prioritization. Reclaim AI helps you prioritize tasks based on urgency, importance, and deadlines, allowing you to focus on high-impact activities and achieve your goals effectively. Smart suggestions. With intelligent recommendations, Reclaim AI suggests time-saving strategies such as batch scheduling, time blocking, and delegation to streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. Time blocking. Reclaim AI enables you to allocate dedicated time blocks for specific tasks or activities, helping you stay focused, organized, and productive throughout the day. Integration. The tool seamlessly integrates with popular productivity tools like Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, Slack, and Trello, providing a unified platform for managing tasks and schedules. Reclaim AI offers flexible pricing options with monthly plans starting at $12 per user for individual users and $20 per user for teams, with additional features and support included in higher tier plans. Additionally, a free trial is available for users to experience Reclaim AI's capabilities before committing to a subscription. Users praise Reclaim AI for its intuitive interface, intelligent scheduling capabilities, and ability to adapt their unique needs and preferences. The tool's user-friendly design and proactive approach to time management contribute to a positive user experience, making it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking to optimize their schedules and improve productivity. The pros of using Reclaim AI include its AI-driven scheduling, calendar optimization, task prioritization features, smart suggestions, time blocking capabilities, and seamless integrations with productivity tools. However, some users may experience a learning curve when initially setting up and configuring the tool, and occasional discrepancies in scheduling recommendations may occur. Alternative time management tools to Reclaim AI include Todoist, Toggle Plan, ClickUp, and Rescue Time. These alternatives offer similar time management features and functionalities, catering to individuals' diverse needs and preferences in managing tasks and schedules. In conclusion, Reclaim AI emerges as a comprehensive time management assistant that empowers users to take control of their schedules, optimizing their time and achieving greater productivity. With its array of features, flexible pricing options, and seamless integration, Reclaim AI sets a new standard for time management tools in the industry. Sign up for Reclaim AI today to reclaim your time and unlock your full potential. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful tech tips and reviews. Thank you for watching.